Ever dreamed of making money while sipping coffee in your pajamas? Sounds like a fantasy, right? But guess what? It's 2025, and AI can actually make that dream real. And no, you don't need a tech degree, a PhD, or a secret hacker lab. Just a little creativity, curiosity, and AI by your side. Today, I'll show you the 5 easiest ways to make money with AI, ranked from simple but effective to the ultimate AI side hustle. Let's dive in. Number 5. AI-powered blog content. Imagine having a blog that writes itself, almost. With AI tools, you can generate blog posts, articles, or product reviews in minutes. All you need is a topic, and AI can do the research, create the draft, and even polish it for SEO. For example, love travel? Type in top 10 hidden spots in Paris, and boom, AI gives you a full article ready to publish. You can monetize your blog with ads, affiliate links, or even sell digital guides. The best part? You do very little, and the AI does the heavy lifting. Number 4. Thumbnail design. Yes, thumbnails matter a lot, and I can make designing eye-catching thumbnails a breeze. Tools like AI image generators or smart design platforms can create professional visuals in seconds. Picture this. You need a thumbnail for a tech video. AI suggests ideas, creates images, and you just pick the best one. No Photoshop skills required, no hours lost staring at blank screens. Just quick, clickable thumbnails that get views and money. Number 3. Build websites with AI. Want to create websites but hate coding? AI's got your back. Platforms now let you build entire websites with just a few prompts. You can design pages, add content, and even set up basic e-commerce features without touching a single line of code. You can sell these websites to small businesses, friends, or local shops. Suddenly, you're the website wizard everyone's paying for, while AI does all the boring stuff. Number 2. Faceless YouTube channels. Yes, you can run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face. I can help with scripts, voiceovers, video editing, and even thumbnails. Think channels that create list videos, tutorials, or motivational content, all automated. Some creators earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month this way. Your personality isn't in the camera, it's in your niche, your topics, and the AI helping you craft videos that people actually watch. Number 1. AI Agent Agency. This is the ultimate game changer. Start your own AI agency. Imagine clients coming to you needing AI solutions, like content generation, social media posts, chatbots, or even AI-powered marketing. You manage the clients, and AI does the execution. You're basically running a business without hiring a massive team. The more clients you get, the more AI does the work, and the more money flows in. This is the top-tier, high-potential side hustle that can really scale fast. The secret isn't just using AI, it's using it creatively. Combine your interests with AI, test different ideas, and add your personal touch. AI is smart, but it doesn't have your humor, your style, or your curiosity. That's what makes your work unique and sellable. So, which one of these 5 AI money-making methods will you try first? Whether it's a blog, thumbnails, a website, a faceless YouTube channel, or your very own AI agency, the tools are here and the opportunities are endless. Remember, AI is your sidekick, not your boss. Use it wisely, experiment boldly, and watch your income grow while you sleep.